In this video, I want to share the best spare time side hustle for busy people to make more money. Face it, today more people than ever are looking for a way to make more money and are checking out various side hustles. The challenge is that most people feel way too busy already, and most side hustles take a lot of time to make significant money. In fact, to make real money in most side hustles, it's almost like taking on another full-time job. And who has the time or the desire for that? Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time side hustler. I've been doing it for years. And with what I'm going to share with you, you can build a nice income and create time freedom too. I ski most days in the winter, and I sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at their traditional job. My side hustle gives me the income I want and the free time to enjoy it too. You can do the same thing. It only takes a few hours per week. Stick with me and I'll tell you all about it. And before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So some of the things I like best about my side hustle are how simple it is and how little time it takes. I'm convinced almost anyone can copy what I do. You do not need any previous experience. No special skills are required. And like I said, it only takes a few hours per week, whenever it's convenient for you. This is perfect for busy people. You can put those hours in from wherever you want to be. People on our team are making money with this while they are at the beach, playing golf, watching a movie, or even while they're sleeping. It's a global opportunity. We have people on our team from all over the world. The very minimal time requirement is due to the fact that it's all done online and all automated. Here's what makes this side hustle so simple. When you team up with us in the fastest growing company in the home business industry, our team will give you your very own sales funnel for free. It's a complete, high converting sales funnel with landing pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails to send out on autopilot using an email autoresponder. You will have the exact same proven sales funnel that I use, but yours will be personalized to brand and promote you. We provide the best training in the industry, plus when we team up, I will mentor you personally. Nothing will be left to chance. You will have everything that you need to start making money fast. Many new people make money their very first day with us. We will show you how to get tons of traffic to your sales funnel using free marketing strategies, again, in just minutes a day. Then you go about your day and let the sales funnel do the work. It automatically tells people all they need to know about our exciting business and signs them up when they are ready. Again, all on autopilot. It's that simple. You can get paid every Thursday by direct deposit, and you can get paid long-term, passive, recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in months from now for what you do today. I know you'll love that. It's very affordable to get started. In fact, this is the lowest cost business I know of. And no, it's not one of those MLM things where you have to buy a bunch of products every month. I hate that. I encourage you to take a close look at this side hustle, especially if you're busy. It might be just what you're looking for. You'll see how easy it is to create a full-time income in just minutes per day so you can finally spend more time doing the things that you really want to be doing. To learn more, go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.